Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Togo using the Remitly app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Remitly app, then tap on the top left corner of the screen and type in the name of the country that you are sending money to, in our case Togo. And when it loads, you just have to tap on the get started icon on the bottom of the list. And after that, you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then tap on continue to see the delivery methods that are available for Togo. We have bank deposit and cash pickup. Just choose the one that you wish to use. And here you can see some of the most popular banks that are available in Togo. But if you don't see the one that you are targeting, you can always tap on the choose another bank option to see all the available countries. Then you have to type in the IBAN or BBAN code of your recipient. You must be very careful to type in the correct code here, which I do not have. This is just a fictional number, and as I can see, it won't let me go to the next step, but it's not a problem because the next step is going to be very simple. You just have to add the name of your recipient, and after that you have to add your debit or credit card details so you can send the money from your debit card, and the recipient is going to receive it in the form of an bank transfer. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.